Yeah, I'm glad I don't see that stuff often.
Yeah, no, you don't need to. That, you know.
No. No, it's a pretty nice drive if you can avoid the bumper-to-bumper stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'm coming down and there's like no traffic. I'm like I'm just waiting for the other
Yeah.
I'm like, wait a minute, you know, is this too good to be true?
It's like, don't pick my peaches till they're all fuzzed up good.
Exactly. You got that right.
I'll get them a mile up the road, right? You get all excited and all of a sudden, bang, there it is.
All right, keep spreading those shells.
Yeah, I'll keep them going.
We're going to go back to heaven. You can stop in heaven anytime.
Yeah, sounds good. Have a wonderful day. There's a lot of nice people in the world. You can tell really within a minute or two whether you want to keep on walking or have a chat with some good people. I can't believe there's nobody on the beach. The kids get out of school in June. After that, I'll come back and do another video, but I'll be tiptoeing around people. It gets really actually, this GoPro is waterproof. I could use a kayak or even better, one of those boards you stand on. Phew. I have no idea where I left my car. Yikes. Hi, how are you?
Good.
That guy out there, that's how to do it. Get a little cooler, jump on that float. Oh yeah. You gotta be kidding me. I might have passed it. Hi.
Hi.
Is the C Street parking lot up this way or that way?
We're not sure.
I'm not there yet?
I have no idea.
Oh, you have no idea? Okay. I need one of those clickers that are tell me where the car is. She almost got me a little tongue-tied. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. I'm looking for the C Street Beach parking lot.
You went past
That
it.
way?
Oh no, really?
Yeah, you went going the wrong direction. That's
Ah. How far back?
3 more beaches back. You'll know because there's no houses on the front.
Yeah.
all. It's
You
just three big staircases. That's it. Brown.
okay? I had a feeling I was heading.
This is
Good walk though, right?
I was yeah. I'm almost in Harwich. Thank you. Son of a gun. That's okay. More beach. It's all right. So many beaches, so little time. If you don't live on the Cape, like I said, leave a comment of a beach you'd like to see. Or a town village. Cape Cod is beautiful. I've been to a lot of places, but you always end up back on Cape Cod. Yeah, that lady could have been messing with me and just set me back here again. She might think I'm a tourist. That was an old Stephen Wright. If you know Stephen Wright, the comedian.